Hey there, universe nerds. When we picture the solar system, we think of planets, moons, and maybe the Kuiper Belt. But astronomers believe there's an even larger, more distant region that surrounds everything. A vast, spherical shell of icy objects called the Oort cloud. It's so far away that no spacecraft has ever reached it, and no telescope has directly imaged it. Yet the Oort cloud may hold trillions of comets, making it the solar system's outermost frontier. Today, let's explore what it is, how we know it exists, and why it remains one of astronomy's greatest mysteries. The Oort cloud was first proposed in 1950 by Dutch astronomer Jan Oort. He was studying the orbits of long-period comets, comets that take thousands or even millions of years to return. Their orbits didn't match the Kuiper Belt. Instead, they seemed to come from a much more distant spherical reservoir. Oort suggested that a huge cloud of icy bodies surrounds the solar system, sending comets inward when disturbed by passing stars or galactic tides. How far is this mysterious cloud? The inner edge may begin around 2,000 astronomical units from the Sun. That's 2,000 times farther than Earth. The outer edge might extend up to 100,000 AU, nearly a light year away. If true, the Oort cloud marks the true boundary between the solar system and interstellar space. It's like a cosmic bubble enclosing everything we know. The Oort cloud is divided into two regions: the inner Oort cloud, which may be shaped more like a disk, and the outer Oort cloud, a vast spherical shell. Together, they could contain trillions of icy objects, comets, planetesimals, and frozen debris left over from the solar system's birth. While we can't see them directly, their presence is inferred from the steady stream of comets entering the inner solar system. One of the Oort cloud's most fascinating roles is as the birthplace of long-period comets. Unlike short-period comets from the Kuiper Belt, these comets take tens of thousands of years to orbit the Sun. Famous comets like Hale-Bopp and C2013A1 Sighting Spring are believed to come from the Oort cloud. Each comet that visits is a messenger from the solar system's distant edge, carrying pristine material from its earliest days. But the Oort cloud may not be made only of objects born in our solar system. Some scientists think it could contain bodies captured from other stars during the Sun's formation in a crowded stellar nursery. If true, then the Oort cloud might be a cosmic melting pot, holding material from many star systems. That makes every comet not just a relic of our own past, but possibly of other stars as well. Studying the Oort cloud isn't easy. It's too far, too faint, and too sparse to detect directly. Instead, astronomers rely on indirect evidence like the distribution of comet orbits. Future telescopes like the Vera Rubin Observatory may help spot more distant objects, perhaps giving us our first real hints of the Oort cloud itself. Missions to directly visit it are still science fiction. It would take thousands of years with current technology. The Oort cloud also connects to big questions about planetary defense. If a large comet were nudged inward by a passing star or galactic tide, it could eventually cross Earth's orbit. While rare, these events remind us that the Oort cloud isn't just a quiet shell. It's a dynamic reservoir, occasionally sending icy missiles into the inner solar system. Understanding it may someday help us prepare for such distant but real risks. On a cosmic scale, The Oort cloud is a reminder of how vast and interconnected the solar system really is. Our neighborhood doesn't stop at Neptune, or even the Kuiper Belt. It stretches almost a light year, merging into the galaxy itself. Every time we see a comet blazing across the sky, we're glimpsing a fragment of that hidden frontier, a piece of the Oort cloud briefly lit by the sun. So what is the Oort cloud? It's the solar system's mysterious shell, a vast, distant sphere of icy bodies that may hold the key to our past and our connection to the galaxy. It's invisible, unexplored, but deeply important. Next time you see a comet streak through the sky, remember, it might have traveled for millions of years from the Oort cloud, carrying with it the story of the solar system's edge.